In 1862, the Pacific Railroad Act chartered the Central Pacific and the Union Pacific Railroad Companies and tasked them with building a transcontinental railroad that would link the United States from east to west. Over the next 7 years, the two companies would race toward each other from Sacramento, California on the one side and Omaha, Nebraska on the other, struggling against great risks before they met at Promontory, Utah on May 10, 1869. Pay varied according to responsibility. Teamsters and graders received the least, while the iron men got the healthiest sum of anybody. Like the Irish counterparts on the Central Pacific, the Union Pacific men had a staple diet of beef, bread, and black coffee. Personal hygiene was all but unheard of. The men slept together in bunks in the rolling fortress designed for them the previous winter. They were tight quarters in which conditions could be filthy. To tell the truth, we were troubled by cooties, remembered one veteran of the cruise. In 1865, after struggling with retaining workers due to the difficulty of the labor, Charles Crocker, who was in charge of construction for the Central Pacific, began hiring Chinese laborers. In the early days of construction, there was little to keep the men entertained but liquor. As the railroad progressed westward, the phenomenon called Hell on Wheels followed in close pursuit. Saloons and gambling houses opened their doors at the end-of-track towns that sprouted along the route.